Hi guys, welcome to another video of Shatan Voyages. Whole my life I have felt something that technology is always an enabler. It enables two-person to communicate, enables us to shop online. So to make technology reach more wider audience, it should be priced at a decent price also. I'm all in for the flagship things like the Apple iPhones or the Apple watches. I'm all in for everything, but there should be companies that should produce good quality product under a certain price range that can reach masses. So first of all, I'd like to thank Potronics for sending us their new watch, their new smart fitness watch. So this is a Yog Chronos Alpha watch. It costs 5,999 rupees. It has all the smart features, the basic required smart features you look for in a smartwatch. So let's just dive into the video and see what features is Portronics giving to us at this price range and whether you should consider buying this or not. So talking about the first thing here is the pairing process of the watch, because no one likes a very cumbersome pairing process. So far I have really loved the pairing process of this Portronics watch. There is an app called the Very Fit Pro. All you have to do is just open the app, and as you can see, we have found the just turn on your Bluetooth. We have found the watch, and now you just have to do proceed, and just fill your basic information for health related features like when you were born and stuff like that, general stuff, general health stuff, which almost all the health and fitness trackers asks before setting up your profile. Okay, so it's asking for my weight. Thank you so much for making me feel like I'm getting fat. I want okay, let's move on. And the overall user interface of the app is also very simple. You have the heart rate section, you have all those basic options available that are usually available on a smart fitness tracker. So all those features are available. You have to give permission for all those settings like call alert and emergency alert, like that. If the wrist sense is on, when you turn on your wrist, the watch's screen lights up on its own. So that's one feature that I really love in a smartwatch. So that is also present here. Now let's talk about design. So it has the four beautiful watch faces, predefined color watch faces on this 1.3-inch HD display. As you can see, you can select any of those. I like the first one, so I'll be keeping this one. The user interface is very similar. The screen gets decently bright enough to be used in broad daylights. Other than that, on the left, if you swipe right, you get all those 12 exercise modes which are present by default. When you swipe left, you get your calorie burned and basic, all the three basic things like your heart rate and stuff. So on hand it feels good. I mean, it's a 6,000 watch, we have to keep that in mind. So it feels really good in hand. The band and the quality of the watch also, and it's very lightweight. Portronics claims that it has a battery life of almost 10 to 15 days on the box, and their team member confirmed us that it has a battery life of almost 14 days. So we'll have to check that and then convey to you our exact findings. So follow us on Instagram to get more updates about our findings. Now, having a look at the home screen overall and the dial, it's sufficiently big enough. You won't have any problems with that either. Okay, so now let me quickly take my measurement, my heart rate measurement. You have to just keep on swiping right and touch on the screen to start measuring your heart rate. The heart rate sensor gets activated and it starts measuring your heart rate. It has all those sensors on the back of the watch. So here we are, my heart rate, and the measurement will continue. So until and unless you press the back button, it will continue measuring your heart rate. So as you can see, I'm making a video and I'm standing, so my heart rate is showing a little elevated. I checked it with my other watches, it's almost accurate. Now, to download the app, there's this QR code at the back. You just have to scan the QR code and you can download the app. It's very, very easy. to work around. Okay, so now coming to the part where how does this charge. So it has a magnetic charger and it sticks to the back. You just have to align it properly. Let me quickly show you. So you just have to align it properly and take the charger to that point, and it just automatically snaps and sticks to the correct position. So again, it's very convenient. And on the other hand, it has a USB type A port. So it's very easy to charge this device also. You won't face a lot of issues in that. One more thing that I really liked about this watch is that it tracks your sleep also. So at night time you can wear it and sleep and it will track, and on the app you can check in the morning how much you slept, and how deep your sleep was, or what other changes in your sleeping pattern or anything in general. So overall it's a very decent tracking device for health conscious people also. In this price range, it's a definitely decent device. So overall, I can definitely say that if you are in the market looking for a watch in this range, you can definitely check this out. It is a very compelling product. You should have a look, the belt and everything. I overall like this watch, and I can definitely recommend it to someone look out in the market for a watch in this price range. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay at home, take care.